Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to my dear students. Today in accountancy we are going to see the types of preference shares. Last time we have seen the types of shares, equity shares and preference shares. We have seen the difference also. Today we are going to see the different types of preference shares. Equity shares have no types. So preference shares, different types I am going to discuss with you today. The first type of preference share is convertible and non-convertible. Now convertible preference shares means those preference shares after a certain period of time the shares will be converted into equity shares. I repeat again, convertible preference shares means those preference shares which will be converted into equity after a certain period of time. That is known as convertible preference share. Second, I would like to say non-convertible preference shares. Now, non-convertible preference shares means those preference shares which cannot be converted into equity at any time during the lifetime of business. During the lifetime of business, the preference shares which cannot be converted into equity is known as non-convertible preference shares. Now, second type is redeemable and irredeemable preference shares. Redeemable preference shares means they have the maturity time. It means that after a certain period of time, the company will take the preference shares back from the public or from the shareholders and give the amount of the shares back to the shareholders. So redeemable preference shares which will have the maturity date in which the company will take back the shares of the company and give the money to the people, to the shareholders of the company. Now irredeemable preference shares means those preference shares which company will not take back, will not give the money of the shareholders back. Yes, the shareholders can sell the shares to the other people, to the general public, to someone, but company will not take it back. Yeah, company can buy back the shares anytime, that's for sure. Buyback means that company will purchase its own share. Now there is a difference between buyback and redemption. Redemption means taking the shares back and give the price of or give the amount of the shares to shareholder. So redeemable preference shares will have the maturity date and irredeemable preference shares will not have the maturity date. So first we have seen convertible, then we have seen non-convertible, then we are watching redeemable, then we have seen irredeemable. Now cumulative preference shares and non-cumulative preference shares. Now cumulative preference shares means suppose this year because of the loss or because of insufficient balance for the company did not give the dividend to the shareholders, preference shareholders. So when next year the dividend will be declared, it will be accumulated. Now accumulated means company will give the dividend for the next year also as well as the dividend of this year also, as due to insufficient balance this year dividend not given to the shareholders. So this year dividend plus next year dividend, total accumulated dividend will be given to preference shareholders. So cumulative preference shares means total dividend will be given, accumulated dividend will be given at a particular time when company will declare the dividend. Now non-cumulative preference shares means accumulated dividend will not be there. It means that suppose this year due to loss or insufficient balance in the company, if dividend is not given to the shareholders this year, preference shareholders and maybe equity also, so next year also maybe suppose if company will declare the dividend but the dividend of next year will be given, this year dividend will not be given. That is non-cumulative preferences. Cumulative means all dividend together, accumulated dividend, and non-cumulative means only the dividend of a particular year, previous year pending dividends will not be given. The next type is participative and non-participative preference shares. Now participative preference shares means what? Participative preference shares means that the preference shareholders, those who have the right in the profit, share in the profit apart from dividend. अपार्ट फ्रॉम डिविडेंड का मतलब है डिविडेंड तो उनको मिलेगा लेकिन प्रॉफिट में से हिस्सा भी उनको मिलेगा, तो उनको पार्टिसिपेटिव प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स बोलते हैं. आई रिपीट अगेन, पार्टिसिपेटिव प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स मीन्स दोज प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स who have the right to get the share in the profit also apart from dividend. This is known as participative preference share. Now non-participative preference shares. Non-participative preference shares means those preference shares who have the right to get the dividend only but not the share in the profit. Not the share in the profit. These shareholders will not get any kind of share in the profit, only they will get the dividend, that is non-participative preference shares. So these are the types of preference shares. I repeat again, first we have seen convertible, non-convertible, then we have seen redeemable, irredeemable, then we have seen cumulative, non-cumulative, and last we have seen participative, non-participative. Now next time we are going to start the journal entries of share capital. It means we are going to the main chapter now. Till now we have seen the theory, still the theory is pending. Different types of how the shares company issue the shares in the market, what type of capital is there, share capital is there. So next lecture will see the types of capital that company used to have in the company. It means that company call from the people different types of amount, how they will call the amount from people, how shares are issued in the market, and how company will get the money from the market. These things we will discuss in the next lecture. Hope the concept is clear. Thank you very much.